Nakakaawa si Paulo Marcoleta. Kanina, nakakaawa si Paulo Marcoleta. Ha? Ito namang si Benny Abante. Hindi. Papatawa naman yun si Benny Abante. Sabi ni Benny Abante, ni Congressman Benny Abante,
Madam Chair,
Sa
Madam
committee na
Chair,
ito.
Madam Chair.
Is that a point of order?
Yes, not really the point of order. I just would like to find out if he is a she or a he because you have been mentioning her.
Point of order, Madam Chair. Let's allow Congressman Marcoleta to proceed.
All right. Honorable Marcoleta is recognized. You may proceed.
Madam Chair,
Gusto
I
ko
just would
bang-
like to make it clear.
He is he. He is he. I stand
It's not
corrected.
in order, Madam Chair, because I just want to make, because you said twice her.
All right.
So I
I'm
would like to
addressing
find out
him.
if she is a she or a he.
Madam
Yes,
Chair, make a ruling and allow Congressman Marcoleta to proceed.
As a response to
proceed,
the Honorable
to-
Abante, we are addressing now Honorable Marcoleta as he, him, his, and the chair therefore stands corrected.
Madam Chair, may I know kung ano nga ba ang kanyang siya ba ay he or she? Kasi naman, itong si Congresswoman Beatrix Listro, ilang beses na natawag na her, o di babae. Sabi naman ni Congresswoman Beatrix Listro, I stand corrected. O nga naman. Kaya lang, nakakaano na rin kasi yung si Marcoleta nakakaawa na nakakatawa. Gusto niyang ini-insist niya na nung present ng NBI, yung video na nagbabanta si Sara na ipapatay si PBBM, si First Lady Lisa Araneta.
Just a manifestation on the video that was played earlier. I'm referring to the video which is the bone of contention, the very basis of why there was an alleged threat to the life of the president. Yung pong nagsasalita si Vice President Sara Duterte dun sa isang kwarto na madilim. Opo. And I have a copy of a more complete video. And I can say that the video was spliced and edited out.
We
Thank
note
you.
your manifestation, but nevertheless, we are bound by the rules to stick to what was submitted to us by the NBI.
Thank you,
Madam
ma'am.
Chair, these
Thank you,
are
ma'am.
being submitted not as videos which surround outside. These are being submitted as videos, part of the investigation of the National Bureau of Investigation. And we cannot go beyond that. Maybe we should ask the National Bureau of Investigation.
Well, sabi nga namin, part po ng submission namin, that is authenticated. It was not spliced. It was just, pag sinabi pong splice, para may ni-replace ka dyan eh. Ito
In
po,
other words, Madam Chair, it is not spliced dahil hindi mo pinutol at dinugtong para magkaibang meaning.
And pwede naman po na kung there's time na nakita naman po napanood yung mong video. And in fact, dun po sa counter, yung sinasabi po ni Congressman Marcoleta, was already been discussed on the counter affidavit na sinabit po ni Vice President Duterte doon po sa kaso sa DOJ. Kaya po na-raise na po yung mga issue na yan.
So, Madam Chair, can the
Actually,
NBI confirm magkaiba po yung may puputulin ka at idudugtong para magkaroon ng ibang meaning vis-a-vis na kumuha ka sa specific portion ng video na merong threat. Tama po ba?
Kinuha po namin yung specific na portion na
Ang sabi ni Marcoleta, spliced yung video na yan. Mabuti hindi na siya pinahiya ng NBI. Nandun ang NBI, sila ang experts sa video, tapos sasabihin niya spliced. Kumbaga sino ba ang experts? Ang expert sa Ang NBI, mayroong mga experts sa mga ganyan. Yan yung nag-present kanina. Yan yung nag-certify kanina, nagpatutuo na authenticated nga ng NBI yung video. Tapos ito naman si Marcoleta, ang sasabihin, spliced daw yung video na present ng edited daw yun, hindi daw yun yung totoo. Ay, Pahiya naman itong si Marcoleta. Pero, mabuti na lang at mabait naman si Congresswoman Beatrix Listro. Hindi naman pinapahiya si Marcoleta. Actually, hindi nga member si Marcoleta ng committee. Hindi siya member ng Justice Committee. Kaya lang, ang rule pala sa kanila, kahit hindi ka member ng committee, pwede kang mag-manifest. Manifest. Pero hindi ka pwedeng mag-clarificatory questions. Hindi ka rin pwedeng mag-motion. Hindi ka rin pwedeng magboto. Kumbaga, mag-manifest ka lang kung anong gusto mong sabihin. Ay ito namang si Paulo Marcoleta, talagang gusto niyang makidiskusyon. Hindi nga pwede kasi hindi siya member ng komite. Pero pinapabwilo na lang. Mabuti, mabait si Congresswoman Beatrix Listro. Pinagbibigyan siya. Hindi naman siya binabastos. Ha? Kaya lang, ang gusto ni Marcoleta, talagang questionin kung ano yung nakikita niyang ki-questionin. Halimbawa, yung NBI, sabi niya, edited yan, spliced yung video na yan. O, ay yun, bawal na yun. Kasi hindi naman siya pwede nun. Kasi hindi naman siya member ng Justice Committee. Ano lang naman siya, nakisingit lang doon. Pinagbigyan lang, pwede siyang mag-manifest. O, anyway, yan ang nangyari kay Marcoleta. O, ito kasing si Marcoleta, mayroon siyang binabasa doon sa kanyang mayroon siyang binabasa. May nagpi-feed sa kanya. O, kaya yun naman yung role ni Marcoleta doon eh. Mayroon lang masabi, mema lang, mema. Kaya lang nakakahiya na eh. O, tapos dahil nakakahiya na nga, ginawang katatawanan ni Abante. Sabi ni Abante, siya po ba ay he or she? Kasi 2 beses mo na po, Madam Chair, na tinawag na her. Hindi naman sinasadya ni Congresswoman Beatrix Listro.
Bunyog, bunyog, halikan na kasama ka. Bunyog, kapag buklod ay may pag-asa. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, isa ang pananaw. Sa bagong Pilipinas ang bunyog isisigaw.